Click the Create Sketch button and select to draw a sketch in the XY plane. Enable the View Section tool. Draw a circle with a diameter of 25 mm using the Circle Drawing tool, centered at the coordinate origin. Click the Pad button. In the Parameters panel, set the height to 50 mm and check the Symmetric to Plane option. Select the top face of the cylinder and use the Pocket tool to cut down 20 mm. Select the ring on the surface of the cylinder and perform a fillet operation. Select the bottom face of the cylinder and create a sketch on it. Using the Circle Drawing tool, draw a circle with its center at the origin of the coordinate system, and input 21.8 mm as the diameter length of the circle. Use the Pocket tool to drill a hole that is 28 mm deep. Select the bottom surface of the cylindrical hole and use the chamfer tool to chamfer it with a size parameter of 2 mm. Select the bottom surface again, and click the Pocket tool to hollow out the bottom. Click on the Create Sketch tool and choose to draw a sketch on the XZ plane. Enable the View Section tool. Enable the Capsule Shape Drawing tool, click at two different locations on the vertical reference line, and input 0.5 mm as the radius length of the arc. Enable the Create External Geometry tool to convert an edge of the model into a reference line. The Escape key on the keyboard can close the drawing tool. Click on the center of the arc below and the model reference line to connect them together. Select the vertical line in the capsule shape and set its length to 10 mm. Click the Pocket tool, set Type to Through All in the Parameter panel, and then check the reversed option. In the Parameters panel, under Model Structure Options, select the recently created pocket operation. Then enable the Polar Pattern tool and set the axis parameter in the Parameters panel to base Z-axis. Increase the value of occurrences to 4. Click the OK button to confirm. The fork is now complete and we can view the model in perspective mode. Thanks for watching.